Right then, it's the one and only Happy Hungry Hibby. What we're going to cover this week is superb but easy recipe from yours truly, Dishoom. It's a 10-minute meal, it's super quick, and it's the Parsi omelette. This omelette is typically flavoured with green chillies, onion, tomato and coriander. So, for the ingredients for this, some fresh eggs. I always use organic free-range eggs, some rapeseed oil, but any vegetable oil would do, or olive oil, premium sea salt, in this case it's salt and pepper all in one, and then I pre-cut some of the coriander, the tomato and the red onion. And then you can either use chopped green chilies, but I'm going to actually use some of the shatter, which is fermented green chilies, which you can see in the recipe here. And then in terms of the garnish for this, I'm going to use some of the absolutely brilliant premium Joseph Healer Gloucester cheese. You can also, as a garnish, you can put some green chilies and also some coriander to sprinkle over the top. So let's get going. So superb, this is finally ready. Final little garnish of coriander, like so. And then to serve, it's nice to have a nice little sauce. I'm going to use the sauce shop tomato ketchup, which has won a real great taste award. So here we have it, the Parsi omelette, courteous of the Dishoom recipe cookbook. Also, please make sure you subscribe. Also turn on your notifications, bing, every other Tuesday at 4 PM. Also, check out the playlist for 10-minute meals. It's a really easy, quick to follow recipes. Enjoy.